Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, the world of Wayne, and it's Sunday, which means it's another time for Welcome to the Cave. Now today we have John Hunter's cave, but before I show you the cave, I've been up incredibly early today. I've been up about 5:30. I thought I'd give you some information, and I thought I'll give this information on the next couple of videos because I know a lot of people will be interested in it. I've been working out when pretty much every one of our builds is going to finish. I think the only one I haven't done is the X-Wing because I never know when that's going to be delivered. So just for your information only, with the Agora models is going to be ahead of the Hachette Terminator as long as there's no COVID plans and all the deliveries are still on schedule. In February 2021. It will finish the beginning of April 2021. I've got it all written here, you see. Now, the Hachette Terminator in stores, if you're getting it from the newsagents, this isn't for subs, is going to finish on the 21st of July 2021. The Hachette Spitfire, that's going to finish on the 23rd of February 2022. The full build of the diorama, that's the plane, but if you want to do the diorama as well, that's going to finish on the 13th of July 2022. The battleship Bismarck in the UK, I'm aware Germany's well ahead of us, but in the UK, that's going to finish on the 1st of December 2021. The Ferrari, as long as everything goes right and the deliveries are now on schedule again, should finish December 2021. And finally, the Ecto 1, if my calculations are correct, and judging on what people have just had now at the start of July, I'm guessing it's going to finish the 25th of August 2022. The reason I'm giving you those is if you want to plan some of these builds, then obviously you know when they finish now, so you can save up, get your money together to know what your next build's going to be. The reason I say that is, and brought this up, is because in John's video, he's got a Route Master there. I'm just kicking myself that I never actually managed to get hold of the Route Master, and it's looking really good, John. The other thing's quite funny is that in the when I watch people's videos, I try and pick a good scene that will make a good thumbnail, and I had about 3 or 4 for yours, John, but it had to be the trainers. Those Back to the Future trainers are absolutely brilliant. The other thing that really pointed out to me was or stuck out to me, was the night bus from Harry Potter, the purple night bus. The reason for that is, when Prisoner of Azkaban was being filmed, I used to work in Wood Green, in Dixon's in Wood Green, and that bus actually travelled down the high street. So I've seen that bus filming, going down our London street, which was quite interesting. But I thought that'd be a little bit of an Easter egg for you, let you know what some of the things I've seen. But you've got a great cave, John, so I'm going to introduce you now to the world of Wayne Community. This is your cave.
Hi Wayne, this is John Hunter. I'm just going to show you my man cave. There we go, let's see. There's my door, that might give you a hint. It's way to the Ministry of Magic. I have recently bought a new desk. I hope you can see this alright, but anyway, it should be a kiddie's bedroom, but it's now not. Here we have back of the door, Star Wars, and a few tin replica items. I have Spitfire, the Route Master, and Back to the Future Time license plate. And from here, got the Out of Time Back to the Future poster, and here we have a current build, which is the Route Master, which I've left switched on, so you can have a quick look and enjoy. And below that, we have my Back to the Future collection. The DeLorean complete with no batteries, and I've taken them out now as it's a display model, but it is fully working. Quite a fun, complicated, at times a challenging build, but it looks brilliant now. Brought some added bits and bats with it from people you know, Model Mods. Some 124 scale DeLoreans as well. The ice version, the third film version with railroad wheels, and the Sunstar version. As you can see, there's quite a bit to the collection. the railroad track there with the hot box, and some action figures. Looks pretty good in my mind. And also I've got the Playmobil and a pair of baseball trainers, which I've only ever worn once, and that was on a ship. We'll never wear them outside, get them dirty. No thank you. Here we have my bookcase collection. Bottom Back to the Future, Star Wars, a Dalek, books, all reading material, all been read. Video collection at the top there, and also a Route Master collection. And the binders, they're a very good read. And some more Dalek stuff, and a couple of more Back to the Future items. And the poster, got 2 of them. Video collection, TV, Exploded Diagram 2, and there's my desk. I only had this a week or so, 10 days I think it is, along with the cabinet which I got last weekend. As you can see on top, you got the XO1 and the Shelby Super Snake. Now the XO1 is ongoing, it won't go in that box anymore, but that's where it will be situated on top of that cabinet when it's finished, which is a long time off. Below that I've got the Spitfire, which doesn't look a great lot, but that's I think 14 issues now, but it is challenging and it does take time, but I'm really enjoying that one. And below that is the Shelby Super Snake. I finished that off yesterday, pack 5. They seem to be doing all the interior and other parts rather than the engine, whereas the XO1 and the DeLorean it always seemed to be the engine first. This one seems to be the engine last, maybe. But the paintwork on the doors and the front bumper are superb. I had one little issue with the dashboard strip yesterday, but we'll go over and sorting that out. It's looking good, And there's the Golden Hinder fixed model, and at the bottom it's the display case. Well, that's for the DeLorean, but it doesn't exactly fit. So, but that's 2 shelves for further builds when they come along. And then on to the sweet round Harry Potter collection. These are just action figures and play sets, and another Dalek, along with R2-D2 and BB-8. The shelf here with Thanos, his gauntlet, the remote control X-Wing, and the sorting hat. That's another shelf. I'm hoping to have the Hogwarts Express on there when it's released. I have signed up for issue 1 on the newsstand. Thank you for that, Wayne. And the shelf above has action figures slash statues from Marvel. They're all plastic, but they look pretty good. They're not expensive. On the top shelf here, I've got graphic novels, more action figures, DC Universe and Ghostbusters. Within that corner, I've got Dobby and the Batmobile. Some of these things are they're impulse buys. And in here we have some DC statues. Batman, Superman, as you can see, really a bit of a collection, and the rest is my Harry Potter collection, which is a few years old now. Well, they're all action figures. Order of the Phoenix, Deathly Hallows, and Blood Prince over here. Oops, it is. Should be careful. and then some Star Wars, the more recent. Books as well, Harry Potter, Wizarding World. I did subscribe to the Wizarding World, but I weren't too enamoured with the little figures that came with it, so I stopped it. Some were great, some weren't so brilliant. And more Harry Potter, lots of Harry Potter. I did have a train, I have got a train set, I do have a train set that in our previous home was in the loft. It had all kitted out, 14 foot by 11 foot, all complete with a Hogwarts Express. It looked pretty good, but we moved home and I had to dismantle it. Sold quite a bit of it off, but I kept the train set. As you can see, I think that's supposed to be King Cross Station. That's complete. And you know, Hogwarts Express does have a gold track with it. That was off my wife for a Christmas present. But that is about it. Quite pleased with it, especially my Back to the Future collection. Hope you like that. And hopefully the collection will be added to in the coming years. Thank you, Ren. Ta-da.
Okay, so just looking at this card here, next week we're going to be having Chris Campbell and Colin Walker on the Saturday, and on the Sunday we're going to have David Janik and Clive Furbank. That's going to be on the Sunday. Now that means we've still got some caves outstanding to process throughout the weekends. We've got Alex Cordia, we've got Chris Purdy, we've got Jason over at DHD Galactic Models, and we've also got Josh Warner. Now obviously that's all the caves that I've actually got in the collection at the moment, but if you want to send me your cave, then just go over to WeTransfer.com, film your cave, preferably landscape, on your phone or a camcorder, upload it to that, and then just send it to my email address, wayne@worldofwayne.co.uk, to get featured. I try to get at least 2 up every weekend. If the videos are less than 10 minutes, then I try to buddy some up each day. But I am really enjoying this. I think we're up to episode 21 now, and there's some good feedback. And some of the things that you peeps have got out there, I'll tell you, I didn't even know they exist, which is why I'm like, I want one of them to Mrs. World of Wayne. That's always a bad sign. Anyway, listen, I really do hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.